unable to bear the constant noise, but Jessica stayed. She was determined to find a way to stop the media trap and free herself from its grasp. She spent long hours in the library, poring over dusty tomes and ancient manuscripts, trying to find any clue that could help her. One day, she stumbled upon a journal written by a man who had encountered the media trap many years ago. The man had been a scientist, and he had written in detail about his experiences with the trap. According to the journal, the media trap was not just a device, but a living entity, capable of absorbing and manipulating the minds of those it captured. The device was powered by a strange energy source, which the scientist had called psychic energy. Jessica realized that she needed to find this energy source if she was going to have any chance of stopping the trap. She spent many nights wandering the woods, searching for any sign of the source. Finally, one night, she found it. It was a pulsating mass of glowing energy hidden deep in the heart of the forest. Jessica approached it cautiously, unsure of what she was going to do. As she got closer, the energy source began to glow brighter and brighter until it was blinding. Jessica shielded her eyes, but it was too late. The energy source had absorbed her, and she felt herself being pulled into the trap once again. This time, however, something was different. Jessica was not a passive victim anymore. She fought back with all her strength, using her knowledge of the trap to resist its influence. The battle was intense, and it seemed like she would never win. But finally, after what felt like an eternity, Jessica emerged victorious. She had destroyed the energy source, and the media trap had lost its power. She stumbled out of the woods, exhausted but triumphant. The town was never the same after that. The buzzing sound had stopped, and the people slowly returned to their normal lives. But Jessica never forgot what she had been through. She had seen the true horror of the media trap, and she knew that it was still out there, waiting for its next victim.